PRPS2.
Moing adlaw, ako si Dot Luarca Pahilanga para sa atong kwentuhang MX3. JC, can you tell us about your profession?
Hello, Miss Dot. I have been teaching at E.B. Magalona National High School under the Senior High School Department for 3 years now.
Wow, aside sa pagtudlo, what are the other responsibilities ng imo ginauyatan?
I'm also a choreographer and a host.
Paano mo naman niya ginahalungan ng imong health?
I try to incorporate as much vegetable and fruits in my diet. Ginaupdan ko man ang pag-inom sang MX3 capsule. It's natural and organic, so I felt safe about it. Ang MX3B may ara sang alpha, beta, and gamma nutrients sa linsaji mangustana. Kilala bilang mga powerful antioxidants ka nagabato sa mga free radicals kag nagapabaskog sang aton nga immune system. MX3, dito ako bilib.
Believe kikitaya sa MX3, and for more MXtraordinary stories, padayon lang sa inyong pagpamati sa masunod naman nga kwentuhang MX3.